Hello, today is March 26, 2024. This is SIG Node Sidecar Working Group. Welcome, everybody. Matthias, you have all the agenda items.
Yes. So yeah, it's a follow-up from what we discussed in 2 weeks ago regarding what I saw in the tests, and I confirmed with the different tests that I did. I didn't check in the code, but from what I saw, maybe I should share the screen. Yeah, so it seems that really when the post start is still running, we don't enter the phase where the pod is considered running, and so no probes are executed, nothing, and the pre-stop hook is not called during termination. I was not able to. I really tried hard to make it happen, but it looks like it doesn't. So then I looked at the configure at the docs. Yeah. So here, so this is consistent with what I was seeing. The post start hook doesn't reach a running state, but they say nothing about the pre-stop. And then I checked also the doc from Tim. So we are basically we are here, and from here we don't jump to the pre-stop.
So pre-stop will never be called and pod will never be terminated?
Yeah, because post start hasn't failed. It's still running, and until we know the state, we don't go to running and we don't go to pre-stop. So we are in this limbo state. This is what I saw from the experimentation that I did.
So this is not only the issues for the sidecar.
No. It's for any.
Okay.
For any container. It's not your code. I mean, this is just to test the normal behavior.
Okay. I think it
So
should be true.
I don't know. We assumed that it should be the case. Yeah, pre-stop will be called on the container even the post start is still running. So this is something that we assumed, but it's not the case. But I haven't checked in the code. Okay, but like from the different tests that I did, it doesn't appear to be the case. So now I don't know if we want to change this or not.
What I meant is that is true for the code that I know, but we have to discuss if this should be fixed or not, or the desired behavior.
Yeah, that's why we adding this test. So we at least have a test coverage for this. And then we need to define. So maybe we need to go to SIG Node meeting and describe this, all this bad behaviors and see, like, seek feedback. I think in this particular case, I would advocate that this is not desired behavior and it's in fact a bug. So I would advocate to just fix it. But I'm pretty sure that there will be people who would argue that this is behavior for a while and we will need to, if you want to fix it.
The de facto standard that we should not break. Yes.
Yeah, I wonder if anybody has a dependency on that.
Yeah.
And I think this may affect the people who use the post start hook as the container container ordering, because waiting the post start hook will prevent the next container to start as well. So it may be hard to fix this behavior.
Yeah, you mean that they use this to do the ordering when they
Yes.
had the old style sidecars.
Yes, yes. But not okay,
I
yes, yeah.
yeah. This is what you meant, but I don't.
But this is
I don't
fine.
know if it prevents people from doing this. Actually, I'm not sure.
So you think that that behavior doesn't need anymore because we have a sidecar container?
No, but I
Right.
mean, even if we break it, I mean, because the issue is when we are here at this place, there is no arrow to here. So the people that are using the post start for the sidecar ordering, I mean the regular container ordering, they still count into at some point going to running state, and then because this is really when we do termination during post start. It's not a regular behavior.
So we may have to define the timeout for start hook. I guess that may be the solution.
I don't know.
Yeah, we wouldn't break ordering of containers because
No.
what we're saying is we only will terminate post start if we are about to kill the container.
Yes.
So what will happen? We will break every customer who relies on post start to guarantee that at least that long pod will be running, even if somebody issues
Yes.
a termination command.
Yes.
It's kind of like unfair way to work around the graceful termination.
Yes, it's a loophole. Yeah. Okay. Well, let's
Can
see.
you bring it to the next SIG Node meeting?
Yes. Okay.
Are you able to join? I know time zone is not ideal for you.
Yeah. Well, I need to check if it's 6 or 7 because next week we changed the.
Oh,
We go to daylight saving time just so that I don't mess up. But yeah. I can bring this to the next signal.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. And the next one. Yes, so that's the other test. That's the one here. Post start will stop once the pod path is gonna. Yeah, so here I'm not sure. So you said that there is a bug about it, and so it might be the bug, but I'm asking whether I should see the post start exiting or not in the logs.
I mean, it depends on how like if we just kill containers, then you shouldn't see it. But the question is,
Yes.
do we actually kill the container or it's continue running?
Yeah. So I have to make some loops in it and then check the loops if the loops are continuing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Do you observe that post start prevents termination?
Post start. So that's another one that I need to check. Yeah. Because that's one that we discussed in my PR and we are not sure, but I need to check whether I see the container, the main container being killed or not. So yeah. This one, I think which one it is. It's one that I ticked already, but I need to check that. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I will continue testing this. I mean, last week wasn't like really super productive, and the week before I had the KubeCon preparations. So yeah, now I will like put more effort into it, and we will try to. I will maybe open a second PR on the side and try to merge the tests that are
Which are
as we
running?
expect, so that we can merge them already.
Okay. It was my question. Like we discussed last time that we already have a few tests that can be merged. So yeah.
Yeah. Probably at least 4 we can 4 behavior we can merge. So but I haven't isolated them into a PR. So yeah, I will definitely do it.
Okay. Gunju, I saw on chat that you are working on implementation of that, right?
Yes, I did try to find a way to sync terminating path, but I think that needs a lot of refactoring. So I'm just trying to implement the 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 behavior for only the restart of the sidecar container, not for general way to sync the terminating path. I think that would be a lot of work. So I think we just need to fix some of our termination ordering part to restart the sidecar container only.
But how will it work if sync loop is not working?
I'm
Do you,
sorry.
how will it work if sync loop is not working? How will you restart those?
I'm just the termination of the path is the sync function now.
Mhm.
So it is really hard to fix it as non-blocking way. So I'm just trying to fix the the current way a little bit to just restart it in that function, in that termination function.
Oh, I see. So you basically making this function into another sync loop that runs after main sync loop.
No, yes, that is true, but not for all behavior for sync loop, but
Mhm.
for just the restart of the sidecar container.
Yeah, I guess it's will work at least for testing. Like I think it will be great to have it and then have tests for that. But I don't know whether it will be accepted because we will need to go through Clayton, and Clayton really don't like the idea of like patch on top of a patch. So we will
Yes,
have
mm.
uphill battle there.
I was trying to do that, but ends up it is really hard
I know.
without big refactoring.
So maybe if it's under feature gate flag, maybe we can
Mm,
do it just for the sake
mm,
of having test written and like functionality working, and then we will see how we can uh, start refactoring.
mm.
Okay. So
Okay.
is it working right now? Did you manage to make it work?
No, I just have an idea.
Mhm.
I didn't implement it yet.
Okay. Okay. Do you think
I will
you
start
will
it.
work with that?
I think it should be work. I will start it tomorrow or yes.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, I don't have any news from my side. Yeah, nothing. Yeah, recently. I see lots of interest. Like people need sidecars everywhere. Like, and yeah, somebody complained to GKeys that the sidecar feature doesn't work. Turned out that they used it incorrectly, so they like messed up versions. And now they will use it for some Cloud SQL proxy. So basically, there is a proxy that will do some Cloud SQL communication better. I don't know exactly what it does, but it looks logical. Like there is some proxy that needs to be running all the time that will provide authentication to SQL. And yeah, it needs to be sidecar, like a very fair use case. Like we already have production. I can double check with them, but I think they are production already. So production use case when people using sidecars on GKey. Beyond
yeah.
what I controlled, like beyond all the GCS, FSD, and Istio that we tried. Yeah.
Yeah. So apparently, Kuma, you know, the service mesh from Kong, will use it in the next stable release, which should be like in any moment right now, because they announced it during KubeCon, and Linkerd are already using it.
Okay. Do you have links for that? Maybe we can include those into our.
They said during the talk. Maybe I can give you the link to the talk.
Okay. That sounds good.
And so some people, there were lots of questions after this talk in the room, and some people said that it was not working in 129. So, but I guess maybe it's also a misuse. So.
Yeah, I would be surprised.
No, yeah, same for me. Or maybe it was no, it's not possible. Can you have like 129 installs where you disable it? Yes, you can.
Yeah, you can
Right?
disable it, but also I don't know who will do that. Like most of the
Yeah.
cloud providers don't disable beta features.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. I
Any
didn't talk to
feedback that
him
we can
after.
use? Yeah, any feedback that we can use to graduate the feature? I was thinking of like maybe we need to graduate it before we will complete the termination aspect of it. The feature itself will be working, and then we will improve termination of pods.
You
It's already
think?
different caps.
Yeah.
I mean, people really struggle without it. So earlier it will be G8, more people will use it, and then we will improve it by improving termination logic.
Okay. We can try to negotiate this with SIG Node.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Talk to you next week.
Yeah. I think we can stop the recording.
Where is the recording button?
I can stop it.